It's the pursuit of truth that led the great Saint Augustine to God. Our job as educators here is to inculcate this thirst for truth within our students. It's difficult because this pursuit cannot be accompanied with apathy. Now, some clarification here. I love ancient wisdom, if you haven't noticed yet. If you read any of the ancients, they'll say something like, you must be apathetic, right? Apathy is the goal. And when you hear it today, it sounds totally reversed. The origin here is pathos, is passion. Apathy is the lack of passion. But they were talking about towards the body, right? So an apathy towards the fleshly desires of the body. And it seems that perhaps there's been a reversal of apathy today, right? Perhaps they wanted to be passionate in the spirit, dispassioned in the body, right? The lusts or the desires of the body. Has there been a reversal today? Have we attached to the flesh and become apathetic in the spirit? Perhaps this is the case, and the more we indulge the passions, which in addition to the obvious culprits include our egos, obsession with image, honor, prestige, perhaps the less we are able to be passionate in the spirit. And at this point, I want to add, this is why the mental health of our students is so important. We must instill in our students a sense of meaning and purpose. And if we aren't doing that, we cannot consider ourselves entirely successful educators. When I talk about apathy with my students, I typically tell them there's a 3-letter definition. Has anybody guessed it yet? 3-letter definition for apathy? Meh, M-E-H. And they get it. Over the last few years, I've had quite a few students who come into my theology classes ready to fight. They don't hold back. They're ready to tear Christianity apart. The saddest reality, though, is that these students are often much better off than the students who don't care at all. Apathy is more dangerous than antagonism, since the passion of the latter can be reoriented. It's easier to redirect misdirected passion than to create passion where it is absent.